there was like a guy that came to like an assembly in school, and you could just say anything. You'd be like, "What's 149 times 2018?" And he'd say it right away.
If I had that power,
Yeah.
I would throw some mustard on it. They'd be like, "What's 35,000 times 826?" I'd be like, I just ripped the biggest fart ever. That had to happen for this. Like,
I'm a supercomputer. Another assembly we had in school.
your assemblies were freak shows. Dog, they did not know what to do with you kids.
It's just like a bearded woman. It's just like the last person with leprosy.